Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to create a tutor account for our website. So open a browser and navigate to tutor. Okay, full name. Sign up for tutor. Let me log into our email account so we can verify our tutor account. Alright, now the username reviews and deals. Let me put, if I can put a "and" here. Okay, so the reviews and deals is available, so I'm going to use this one, and yeah, rest of the setting it's all up to you if you want them. Create an account. I don't know why they guys are doing this. Okay, escape. Now we need to upload the image, so I'm going to use the same image or this one. The biography is the tagline of our website. Paste it here. Done. Okay, so we need to confirm it. Let's go to email and check if there, yeah, it is confirmation email. Okay, so our account is created and now we have an official tutor account. Okay, so this is all for this video and thanks for watching it.